Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so the activation goes smoothly. Update iOS and back up your iPhone because changes to cellular settings can be irreversible. This preserves contacts and preferences. Make sure you have one Nano SIM ready and an eSIM QR or carrier activation details on hand. Once done, power off and insert the Nano SIM if not already installed. Then unlock the iPhone and open Settings. This moves you straight into the cellular setup without wasting time. You now activate the eSIM while keeping the physical SIM active. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code provided by your carrier or use the carrier app to install the eSIM profile. Make sure to follow any carrier prompts and enter confirmation codes. This authorizes the line. Once the plan is added, label each line so you can distinguish voice, text, and data usage. Because lines coexist, assigning a default line for cellular data avoids accidental charges. Finish by configuring default so calls and data behave predictably. In cellular settings, pick your default voice line and the line for iMessage and FaceTime, then choose which line handles cellular data. Enable allow cellular data switching only if you want dynamic switching during calls. Make test calls and messages to verify both send and receive. If something fails, toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, or remove and reinstall the eSIM. These steps resolve most provisioning hiccups and get you back on both lines quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.